Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In this lecture, you're going to understand essential elements for structuring your web page like heading, paragraph, break, and horizontal line tags. Let's start with the heading tags. Heading tags are used to define headings or titles within your document. There are 6 levels of heading tags, H1 to H6, with H1 being the most important and H6 the least. Let's see an example. Open the text editor. Have the basic structure of your HTML document, which is doc type, opening and closing HTML tags, head tag with the title and body tag. In the head tag, I will have a text HTML basic tags. And in the body tag, we need to add appropriate HT tags. Let us write all 6 types of heading tags. I have written my name in all the heading tags. Now save the program with .html extension. Now open the program in Area Editor. Here is our output. You can observe the font size of H1 is larger than the font size of H6. Heading tags are essential for organizing the structure of your content. And it also helps in improvising the accessibility. Now let's move on to our paragraph tag. Paragraph tags are used to define blocks of text within a HTML document. They are represented by P opening and P closing tags. Let us see an example. Open the text editor. Within the paragraph tag, I will have some text. Now let's save this program and check our output. You can see the paragraph contents has been added to your page. To understand even more better, let us add 2 more paragraph contents. I am copying the text and pasting it twice. Save it. Let's refresh our page. Can you see the difference? The paragraph tag will add one line of spaces above and below the paragraph. Remember, while paragraph tags are for blocks of text, heading tag provides structure and hierarchy to your content. Hope you all have understood. Now let's see the BR tag. The BR tag stands for line break and it is used to insert a line break within a block of text. Unlike most HTML tags, the BR tag does not have a closing tag. You can simply insert BR tag wherever you want a line break to occur. Here is an example. You can have a BR tag within a paragraph. So, a text after this BR tag should come to the next line. So let's save our program, refresh our page, and you can see the text from here has come to the next line. Hope you all are clear with this BR tag. Next, now let us see about HR tag. The HR tag stands for horizontal rule and it is used to insert a horizontal line or divider between the content sections on a web page. Like BR tag, HR also does not have a closing tag. Let us see an example. By simply adding a HR tag here, you can create a visually appealing separation between the sections of your content. Save our program, refresh your page, you can see a horizontal line added to your web page. That wraps our today's discussion on heading, paragraph, break and horizontal line tags. Remember to use them appropriately to create well-structured and accessible web pages. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more HTML tutorials. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.